Hi there. We're all striving to improve the way we do things, but sometimes just getting started can be really challenging. And driving change is not without its challenges, and if you're like us at Cadline, you'll have interested parties within your business working from multiple locations just to make things a little more difficult for everyone to be actively engaged and involved in projects. And this is where we can help. We have a different way of getting you started, and it's delivering proven results for our customers, bringing teams together to deliver positive change. We use Mural to host your interactive virtual discovery meeting. It's a great way to discuss specific topics, to share your challenges, capture your thoughts and ideas, and agree priority areas that align with your business objectives. Most importantly, it connects stakeholders and provides an opportunity for all to contribute early in any change cycle. The outputs, requirements, and priorities are shared with our technical team to evaluate the best solution before recommending any areas of improvement. And then we can present the art of the possible with you. We can either help you get the best from your existing technology and deliver new initiatives that perhaps drive more design automation, improve the way you design, better manage your data, integrate your systems, remove manual engineering processes from your business, and connect your teams, and even improve your customer and supply chain experiences. Or at the sharp end, our advanced manufacturing team will help you improve production outputs, automate CNC machine programming, and produce parts faster and more efficiently. The discovery sessions are free and only take 90 minutes to complete. They can be arranged via your Cadline account manager or customer success manager. And if you're new to Cadline, don't worry. Just complete the online request or connect in the online chat and we'll see how we can help. Getting started has never been easier, more interactive, or provided as much clarity on what improvements can be made and how to make them. Search Warren Services in the Cadline website to see how we both embrace Mural to engage our teams and how that led to a successful change program in design, data management, process digitization, and production. So book your discovery session with the Cadline team today, and we look forward to working with you in partnership to getting you started, innovating together, and helping you deliver better business outcomes.